Okay, hey guys. I don't know if you guys could tell. I'm in Green Hills. We're getting the iPhone 16 Pro at Mobilizer. Let's go. All right, let's do it. So if you guys haven't been into Green Hills to buy your iPhones or your Apple devices, I kind of do understand because it kind of looks a little sketchy in here. But we do have a trusted store in here that I've been buying for like more than 5 years now, I guess. So Bridgeway Shops. So here, and I believe you go to the right in here. There you go, Mobilizer. So there's all the 16 Pro Maxes. And those ones at the bottom are 16 Pro. Look at that. They even have a Vision Pro. Oh, look at that. You can have Pixel 9 right there. Okay, unfortunately, they did not have the color that I want. I wanted the white or black, but they actually reserved the Desert Titanium for me, which is a cool color, but not really what I want. So I'm gonna go now back to our crib. They're gonna deliver the white or black colored 16 Pro, and I'll go and unbox it there. So again, like there's a lot of stores in here, and I believe a lot of them are quite legit, but I do stick to Mobilizer because I've been with them for how many years now. Okay, so originally I'm getting the iPhone 16 Pro in black, but with this happening, I don't know, maybe it's a sign that I should follow my heart and go white, because in reality, white is the color that I really, really want, and I'm only going black to match everything that I have. My MacBook is black, my iPad is black. I do want an Apple Series 10 in jet black, so I kind of want to go black in the phone, so everything is like all black. But truly, 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 in my heart, I do want the white colored iPhone 16 Pro because it's so icy. So I'm gonna think about it, and then I'll make up my mind. And tomorrow, you guys will see the iPhone that I bought. Oh my God, guys! One day later, it's here. Well, guys. So it's finally iPhone 16 day for me. This just arrived, and as usual, I got it early from Mobilizer. iPhone 16s are not officially released in the Philippines yet. That would be, I'll tell the date at another video, so subscribe if you want to know that early. But there are early units that came from Hong Kong or maybe Singapore, but usually Hong Kong, and that's usually available in Green Hills. And where I shop usually there is through Mobilizer. I've been a customer for 5 years now, and I'm pretty sure you already know that from that vlog that I did a while ago. All right, so moment of truth. I did go back and forth between black or white. Which way am I gonna go? If you have any guesses, go write them in the comments now. But this year, I went true to my heart because I really, really love this color. And Apple doesn't usually go this route every year on this particular color. And this year they did, so that's where my heart went to. All right, are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's on the wrong way. 3, 2, 1. Boom. And I'm pretty sure you can't guess just by seeing this, but this is the white titanium iPhone 16 Pro. So yes, I went true to my heart. I went white titanium. Is it called white? Yeah, white titanium, because this year their white is so icy. Usually they go this route where the white is kind of like eggshell white, where it's kind of yellow, where it's kind of warm. I don't like those types of whites, but when they do it as icy as this, I usually go that route. Now, speaking of color, I will try to make a video ranking all of the colors of the iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Pro. I was just so busy the past few weeks, I haven't really gotten into it, but I will make a video about that. But today, let's start with the unboxing. And I have something special for you guys. If you guys have seen that contraption, I will have an overhead view of the unboxing just for you guys. So let's get started. Let's put this away for now. So here you go. This is the iPhone 16 Pro. I do miss the boxes when they were black for the Pro phones. I thought that was really cool, but I think it takes a lot of ink, and as environmentally friendly as Apple, I don't think they want that. But yeah, this is the iPhone 16 Pro. Let's move on to the back so that we can now pull off those pull tabs. So this is a one-time shot. Let's do this pull tab right here. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Wow. All right. One more time below. Right there. Okay, let's do it like this. 1, 2, 3. Oh no, I destroyed it. That's not good. Okay, damn. Let's do another tear just so that it's kind of even that way. Let's now pull up the top part of the iPhone. Oh, yes. That's chef's kiss. That's so nice. Guys, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That is so white. I am definitely back. I'm back, baby. I'm back on the white. The last white phone I had was the iPhone 14 Pro Max. That was a big phone, but I loved that white. So I'm back now on white. This is such a clean phone. I think this looks the most luxurious color from the iPhone 16 line right now. Ooh, the side railings, so freaking white. There you go. Oh, wow. I love it. I love it. So let's put it down for now right here. Let's actually make that a little bit more aesthetic. There you go. And then we have our accessories right here. I don't really use this, so I'm gonna put it back here. Well, actually, let's look at the papers. No Apple stickers this time, so that's over. And let's put that back right there. And now let's go to the peeling action. Let's go ahead and peel right. 1, 2, 3. Ah! Oh my God. That was so good. Ooh, now I can see the camera control right here. And it does depress. It is a real button. And man, this phone looks so good. That's insane. I'm really loving this phone. All right, so that is the unboxing. I'm gonna go ahead and set it up right after this video because I do wanna set it up properly. But before I go, what am I looking for here in this iPhone generation? What I am looking for is pretty boring. I am looking for the better battery life. I'm also looking for the better heat dissipation because my 15 Pro gets hot really fast and gets really hot. So I'm really looking forward to the A18 Pro being better in terms of thermal management. And also they have, I think, like a coating, or no, not a coating, like a metal aluminum sheath that can dissipate the heat better, right? And I'm also interested in the more detailed photographic styles. Like you can change the tone, you have more detailed, I don't know, like skin tone color and all that. I am curious on customizing that and how I'm gonna use it because right now the iPhone looks, I guess it doesn't have a style to it. So with that more detailed photographic styles, you can make it your own. And I do plan on looking for forums on how to make it like Fuji type of, you know, like film simulations, right? So I'm gonna try to look for forums and Reddit groups where they can discuss all that. Now, what about the other features like the camera control button? Am I excited for that? To tell the truth, not really. I am looking forward to using it, but in terms of like, is it a game changer feature? No, not really. I don't think so. And then in terms of Apple Intelligence, I do have Apple Intelligence on my iPhone 15 Pro, and it's just not good. I mean, it's still on beta right now, and I am on beta software, but right now, as it stands, when I'm using ChatGPT, when I'm talking to ChatGPT, it's so much better giving me responses that are actually useful, wherein on Apple Intelligence, it still routes me to Google. Like, here's results that I found. Go ahead and click them, right? It's bad. It's pretty bad. 4K 120 on the video camera. I'm not really that much of a video nerd, or I don't produce slow motion videos. Maybe it would be useful someday, but I don't have a use case right now. It also has a bigger screen. Right now, it is turned off, so I don't know yet. A lot of people say it's not very noticeable, so I guess not. And in terms of cases, I do have some cases right here that I want to show you guys. First off, what we have here are 3 PITAKA cases. Hopefully, you guys can see those. They already have the cutout for the camera control button. I'm gonna slap one just very quickly to see how they fit. Oh, this is the black one. There you go. Perfect fit. That's the black one. Oh, that actually looks really good with the camera cutout that is silver with the white phone. That looks really, really good. I also have some leather cases in here. So I do have Mujjo cases as well. Oh, actually I have a camera right here. Why don't I show you guys? So I have some Mujjo cases as well on here. I am excited about this green smoke color. I think it looks beautiful. And let's go ahead and put the phone right there. See how it looks. Ooh, perfect fit again. Oh, I think that looks beautiful. I don't know if I'll try to color correct my phone to let the green smoke show its real color. Right now, from my monitor, I don't think it's the right color. The camera control can be felt right here because it does have that cutout, and it does go down right here, but time will tell if it will actually function well. Buttons are very clickable, and yeah, the fit looks pretty good. So yeah, those are the cases I have. Mujjo, PITAKA, they're available right now on Shopee and Lazada. Like, they're on hand here in the Philippines. So if you need a case right away, if you're looking for premium cases, go ahead and check them out. All right, so that's it for this video. I do have more videos planned in the future talking about iPhone 16 variants, reviewing these accessories, telling you what I think about the new iPhone 16. But for now, I'm excited to set it up and go through my day using the iPhone 16 Pro. All right, guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye, guys. Oh, like and subscribe.